Hey guys, it's Mamie. I hope you're well. Just a little quick fun video today. I put together my autumn fairy garden in the house that I like to change out, and I wanted to share with you just a quick little tour. I thought it was really cute, so I wanted to share it. I put these lights around the base of the saucer that is holding the fairy garden. Now I'm going to just show you a quick, because it's dark, I'm going to put the light on, excuse me, to show you better. But I wanted to show you what it looked like without the lights on. So, a lot of these things my sisters and my niece, Emma, have purchased for me because they know how much I love fairy gardens. So, I thought, well, how fun would it be to start collecting pieces and change them out by season. So I started a couple years ago doing them outside in the garden in the summertime, but then when summer was over, here in upstate everything dies, of course, out there, so I have to bring it inside. So I've been starting to collect little pieces here and there. And my sisters and my niece and my sister-in-law, I mean, they just know I love this stuff, so they're constantly buying me things for it, and I just love it. So this base thing here is huge. It's like 24 inches in diameter, and I got it from Wayfair online because I couldn't find anything big enough that could hold all the stuff that I wanted to hold. There are definitely real succulents in here. Like this is a succulent here. These are succulents. Of course, that's a fake tree there. I got that at Joann's, and back here, those are real plants there. And then over here, these are real too. So I put these guys in, and I have a little string of pearls here. But I put it on the outside so I can fill it in with all the fun stuff. So got a little mailbox here from my pen pals. And then look at the little welcome sign. And then got some leaves, of course. And my sister got me the wheelbarrow. I put some hay in there and have a jack-o'-lantern and some pine cones. And this little girl is stirring her pot for Halloween. That little fairy there. Then my sister got me the arbor, which I love the arbor. I just stuck some pine cones in it along the top, and the leaf garland she got me as well. Oh dear, the rake fell over. Let me fix it. Oh goodness, it's so much fun. It makes you feel like you're a little kid again, playing with doll houses. If any of you know how, remember when we were little? Well, I remember when I was little, I used to love playing with doll houses. So all these miniature things reminds me of that. So here's a fence. Then I got the birdhouse right here. Oh my gosh, I feel like I can't feel where it is. There it is. Little birdhouse. And then I needed houses because I had all these little items. So I got this gourd off. Look at that thing. The gourd. And then the tree, isn't that darling? I got that on Joann's. I got that at Joann's, and the gourd was on a website called Miniature Gardening, I think it's called. And then there's another little scarecrow there. And then of course I had to have the camper. Look how cute the camper is. Happy Harvest. Sorry, I have a tickle. Then I have my little girl here with her farm stand. And I got the little boy on the bale of hay. There's Toddy. There's Toddy and there's me. And the pumpkin. And then look at the truck. The cute truck. The harvest truck. And then I just had a bunch of these pumpkins and I just like dumped them. My sister's dog. That's Cooper. He looks just like him. And then this is Macy. My sister's other dog. She got me those too. And then look at this little cute little pumpkin house. And then the door opens, you guys. The door opens. Isn't that so cute? I know, this is probably crazy for a 46-year-old woman much fun with. But you know what? It brings me joy, and I don't care. And I love doing this stuff with my niece, Emma. I probably enjoy it more than she does, but that's just a little bond that she and I have together. Since she was a baby, we've watched Tinkerbell together, and it just escalated to actually doing fairy gardens and fairies and all that fun stuff. So it's our little fun little thing that we share. But anyways, I just wanted to share. I thought it was fun and cute. So I hope you guys are well. Happy autumn, finally. I'm so excited that it's finally autumn. It's my favorite time of year. Take care, guys, and have a wonderful day. Bye.